This dance is called Azizam, 32 count, 4 walks. Let me show you section 1. Section 1 starts with your right foot. Step right forward, make a pivot half turn to your left. Step right forward, pivot half turn to the left. Kick, ball, step. Step right forward, scarf left diagonal, across right, cross shuffle. Section 1 again, starting with your right foot, step right, make a pivot half turn to the left, kick, ball, step, step right in front, scarf left over right diagonal, cross shuffle. Section 1 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Section 2, step right to the side, hold 1 count, ball step and touch. Sway your hip left, right, make a quarter to the left, another quarter to the left, facing 12 o'clock. So section 2 again. Step right to the side, hold 1 count, ball step, touch. Sway hip left, right, make a quarter to the left, another quarter to the left, facing 12 o'clock. So with a count, 1, hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 3, step left back, sweep right from front to back, and you sit back and bump down, up, down with arms movement. Down, up, down, step left back, step right next to left, make a left shuffle forward. Step together forward. So section 3 again. Step your left back, sweep right from front to back, sit back and bump down, up, down with arms movement. Down, up, down, step back on your left, step right next to left, do a forward shuffle with the left. Forward, together, forward. So section 3 with a count. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Last section, 1 8 diagonal to the left, out, out, hold. And out, out, hold 1 count. Another 1 8 to the left, in, hold. And in, hold 1 count. Kick right, step right back, look back, transfer weight to your right, and recover back to left. Transfer your weight back to left. And that's the end of the dance. Let me show you last section again. Out, out, hold 1 8 to the left, and out, out, hold. Another 1 8 to the left, in, hold. In, hold. Kick right, touch right back, look back, transfer weight to your right, and recover weight back to the left. So last section with a count. And 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me show you the dance from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 hold 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And 1 hold 2 and 3 hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.